space in front of you. The line will split into two at the bottom of the stairs. Please pick the shorter side and keep your group together. Thank you. Your adventure awaits.
Watch them use the handrail, then in just a moment we'll be underwater. Wait, sorry, I mean underway. underway. But don't worry. I haven't crashed any boats today. Oh, that was yesterday. Alright, perfect. Looks like we need a few more sailors. Hello, sailors. We were just talking about you. Perfect. Alright. Alright, folks. Do me a favor and wave goodbye to civilization. Because you're never gonna see it again! Just kidding. Or am I? And on that note, welcome aboard the world, Refurbished! And my name is James, and I'll be your skipper. Forest Bar, as we get. So to help make sure we get as far as possible for your safety, please remain seated if your hands are free-legged line away from the sides of parents. Please supervise your children. And now, as we begin our journey, over there, you're gonna see the famous Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where babes, archaeologists, Indiana Jones is seeking hidden treasure. And you know, I once got into an argument with old Indiana Jones. No, really. Sorry. And let me tell you, never get into an argument with an archaeologist. And you want to know why? Because they're always finding ways to dig up the past. Goes over my argument like a boulder hits under Indiana Jones, and now we're entering the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants. Now, before you ask me, yes, you can take pictures. No, really. Go on ahead. They still have their trunks on. Whoa. That elephant over there's been in the shower too long. I mean, just look at all those wrinkles. And speaking of showers, folks, I have to warn you that there's an elephant coming up that's going to wash the boat. Oh, there you go, because they're ready to get wet. And if you're not, well, then I suggest you do it. In 3, 2, 1, I'm just kidding. That's just what I like to call a little dry humor. Isn't that cute? A bunch of monkeys in it. What do you guys call a bunch of monkeys with explosives? Oh, man, look at that gorilla with the gun. Wait a minute, let's get out of here. I mean, look at what they did to that car over there. They left the lights on. That's what happens when they call the shots. Now, if you guys can do me a favor and look over here, and you guys will see absolutely nothing. I know. Some of you guys just did not find that last stuff to be very appealing. I know, that joke always drives everybody bananas. Behold the first sight of water! H2O, and if you're confused, don't worry, because that's gonna make sense later. And now if you guys could do me a favor, look over there and you'll see the most feared animal in the jungle. The African elephant. And coming up over here, we have his most feared animal in the jungle. His mother-in-law. And now we're entering the great African belt, where the hand of man has never set foot. Yes, it's a place where many ancient species gather, like, for example, coming up, we have some really old zebras. Yes, zebras so old, they're still in black and white. That zebra's get tired. Let's just let him rest in peace. Now, I know what you're thinking, Skipper. What's the point in traveling to the far corners of the world only to be chased up a tree by a rhino? Well, let me tell you, I definitely see the point. And I know they certainly do. We're not going to don't worry, because Skipper's actually normally in a good mood. Unless it's Sunday! I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna love in the same way I did my last relationship. I love you! What do you want to eat? Don't worry. I still have one more shot at this coming in. Bang bang. I just saved your guys' lives. Don't need to thank me, folks. Not all heroes wear hats, but that really was exhausting at the same. But you know, some people think my job is so easy. That even a monkey can do it. And I have no idea where they get that idea from. And now, I'm going to distract you guys by telling you guys a completely unrelated fun fact. Now, did you guys know that giraffes, they like to tell jokes? But, unfortunately, the jokes go right over people's heads. Oh, there goes the jokes again. And you know what? I like to call that chip over there a net. Because they like to catch butterflies, and they need a Oh no! The moment I cut is gonna make sense later! Introducing the amazing, the spectacular, the magical, the incredible ape wonder of the world! The famous backside of water! Oh, dear, wait! Oh, dear, wait! Oh, dear, wait! Oh, dear, wait! And over here we have the other wonder of the world. The front side of rock! Rock. Oh, never mind. Everyone always takes that one for granted. And I have no idea why, because I always thought that to be a rock solid. Silly me. How could I forget our world famous gift shop? Yes, it's the only place where you could get the official I Survived by Skipper's joke merchandise. And speaking of merchandise, I want you guys to do me a favor and smile and wave at that monkey taking our picture. Yep. Everyone's a good pay in that monkey. But it's just for the exposure. And it looks like I have you guys back here for just a moment. So, I have a question for you guys, okay? Over there, you guys are going to see a bunch of monkeys. Now, do you guys know what it's called when a bunch of monkeys own a shop? monkey business. Alright, we have time for one other one, okay. Over here you guys are gonna see a bunch of trees. Now, do you guys know why trees don't have so many friends? It's because they're too shady. Alright, I guess we have time for another one. Okay, this is an even easier question, okay? What do you guys call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear! I heard you over there, okay. Why do tigers have stripes? It's so they don't get spotted. Okay. What is a frog's favorite year? Leap year. There you go. All right. Okay. Why don't animals in the jungle like to play together? It's because there's too many cheetahs. All right. Speaking of cheetahs, what is a cheetah's favorite food? Fast food. Okay, story time, okay. Over here you guys are gonna see a bunch of bamboo. Now, did you guys know that bamboo can grow up to 6 stories tall? However, some skippers tell me that they can grow up to 7 stories tall. And you know what that means? Okay, we have time for another one, okay. What do you guys call an alligator in a vest? An investigator, that's right, I heard you over there. I need to get new material. Okay, just a moment. There it is, alright. And on that note, it looks like our time together has finally come to an end. I know, I will never forget the good times we had, like, for example, the best Dynamite with me! Well, never mind. I guess I'm the only one living in the past. Now, as a bunch of once again, for your safety, please remain seated, give her a hand. Feeling little and away from the sides. And once again, this has been the world famous Jungle Cruise! And I really do hope you guys had a good time today. Remember, my name is James. And if you didn't have a good time, well, then I need you guys to do me a favor. And get out. Oh, sorry, that was kind of rude. Please. Get out. Watch that, watch steps, use the hand, front door, joke aside, back door. Right hand, watch steps, use the hand, don't cross over the center box.